Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So in this video we will discuss on how to solve for the product of the given functions. Okay, so we have the formula in finding the product of the given functions. We have f times g times x equals f of x times g of x. So multiplication ito. Next, proceed to example number 1. So f of x equals 3x minus 2 and g of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. So find the product of the given functions. So formula, okay, we have the quantity of f times g times x equals f of x times g of x. Okay, let's substitute the value of f of x. So the value of fx is 3x minus 2 times, okay, we have the value of g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, next we need to multiply. Ito, isa-isahin natin. 3x times x squared. So understood na may exponent dito na 1. So when we multiply variable and exponent, so we need to add the exponent. So 3 times 1, so that is 3. Then copy the variable and add the exponent. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Next, 3x times 2x. So 3 times 2, so that is positive 2. Then copy the variable x. Then add the exponent. So understood na may 1 dito. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next, this one, 3x times negative 3. So negative 3 times positive 3, so that is negative 9. Then copy the variable, that is x. Okay, next, dito na tayo sa second term of the first expression. So negative 2 times x squared. So negative 2 times x squared, that is negative 2x squared. Then negative 2 times 2x. So we have negative 4x. The negative 2 times negative 3. So we have negative or positive 6. Then we need to combine like terms. So we have, okay, 3x cubed. Meron bang kapareha? So wala. So you need to copy this one. So 3x cubed. Then ito 2x squared and negative 2x squared. So eliminate. Then this one, negative 9x and negative 4x. Like term, so can we add or subtract this one? So negative 9 minus 4, that is negative 13x. Then yung last term is plus 6. So ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. So what if lagyan natin ng value si x? Okay, what if yung x natin is equal to dito equals to 2. Okay, example lang ito ha. Pero pag walang value ang x, again, ito na yung final answer natin. But pag meron, you need to substitute this one to the answer. Itong final answer natin. So 3 times the value of x is 2 raised to 3, subtract 13x plus 6, and simplify. So 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8, minus 13, 2 pala ito, 13 times 2 plus 6. Then we have 8, 16, 24. Then this one is 26 plus 6. So then final answer is 24 minus 26, that is negative 2, plus 6, so that is positive 4. Okay, so this is our final answer if the value of x is positive 2. Okay, comment lang kayo kung merong mali para ma-check natin, kasi tao lang tayo nagkakamali rin. Base malibat. Okay, next, example number 2. So we have, let f of x equals x squared minus 5 and g of x equals 5x plus 4. So letter A, find the product of the given functions. So equals f of x, diretso na tayo, times g of x. Substitute natin what is the value of f of x, that is x squared minus 5 times value of g of x, that is 5x plus 4. Using FOIL, ang FOIL natin is first, so ito, first term, x squared times 5x, that is 5x cubed. Next, outer, so negative 5 times, ito pala, x squared times 4 outer, so x squared times 4, so that is positive 4x squared. Then negative 5 times 5x, so that is negative 25x, inner yan. Then last, negative 5 times 4, that is negative 20. Then final answer natin, ano yung final answer natin? So that is our final answer, kasi wala namang like terms dito. So 5x cubed plus 4x squared minus 25x minus 20. So ito na yung final answer natin. Then what if yung value ng x is 3? So we have f of x times g of x. So we have f of x natin, so we have x squared minus 5 times 5x plus 4 equals, okay, so ito na yon, 5x squared ay cube minus 4x squared minus 25x minus 20. Then ang x natin is positive 3, so we have 5 times 3 raised to 3 minus 4 times 3 raised to 2 minus 25 times 3 minus 20. So we have 5 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27, subtract 4 times 9, subtract 75 minus 20. Isa-isahin natin. So 5 times 27, that is 135. Then plus or subtract, wait lang, positive pala ito, positive, ito positive, positive. So we have plus 9 times 4, so we have 9 times 4, that is 36. Then ito negative 75 minus 20, that is negative 95, equals 135 plus 36 is 171 minus 95, the final answer is 76 when x is 3. What if gamitan natin ang shortcut ito, ang letter B? Tingnan natin if the same pa rin yung sagot natin. So letter B, so ang f of x So letter B, ito. So we have f times g times x equals f of x times g of x. So we have, anong value ng f of x natin is x squared minus 5 times g of x is 5x plus 4. Then, substitute natin yung 3. Ito, dito pa lang, i-substitute na natin. So, we have 3 raised to 2 minus 5 times 5 times 3 plus 4. Tingnan natin kung the same pa rin yung result. So, we have 9 minus 5 times, ito 15 plus 4, that is 19. Then this one, 9 minus 5, so we have 4 times 19. So 4 times 19, so 19 times 4, so we have 36. Okay, so that is equivalent to 76. So the same result pa rin. Okay, so that is the shortcut natin gamitin. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, next, number 3. So we have if f of x, ito mas mataas ito, kailangan ito ng maiging pagsusuri. So we have formula. So isahin natin ito kasi mataas ito. So formula, f of x or f times g times x equals f of x times g of x. Substitute natin. So dito tayo lang maglagay muna ng equal sign. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 4 times the value of g of x, that is x squared plus 2x minus 8. So isahin natin first term to first term of this expression. So we have x squared times x squared, so we have x raised to 4. I-add natin yung exponent. Next, dito pa rin tayo, x squared times 2x. So we have x squared times 2x magiging positive 2x cube. So understood na may 1 dito, so 1 plus 2, so magiging 3 na yan, or cube. Next, x squared, isa-isahin natin, x squared times negative 8, so that is negative 8x squared. Pwede rin horizontal yung pag-multiply nyo, pwede rin vertical. So tingnan natin. So we have next 5x times x squared, so magiging 5x cube. Understood na may 1 dito, so 1 plus 2, that is 5x cube. Next, 5x times positive 2x, that is positive 10x squared. Tandaan na may 1 ang exponent, so you need to add exponent. Then dito, 5x times negative 8, so that is negative 40x. Then ito, 4 times x squared, so that is positive 4x squared. Then ito, 4 times positive 2x, that is positive 8x. And last term, 4 times negative 8, so that is negative 32. Okay, so next, Then, i-check natin. X squared. X raised to then. Okay. Then, 5. Okay. Next. Combine like terms. So, x raised to 4. Walang kapareha. So, just copy. 2x cubed and 5x cubed. So, that is positive 7x cubed. Okay, like terms. Then, ito. 8, negative 8, and this one. Tulo para alam natin. So, we have negative 8 plus 10. So, that is positive 2 plus 4. So, that is positive 6x squared. Then, ito. Negative 40x and 8x. So, negative 40 plus 8. So, that's negative 32x minus 32. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, check natin. 2 and 5, that is 7. Negative 8, 10, and 4, so that is positive 6. Then, 32. Okay, so that's correct. So, apat ito. Apat. Okay. The final answer is x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 6x squared minus 32x minus 32. So that is our final answer.